Hello everybody, welcome back to the Spicy Saturday show. I'm your host Todd Peppers with Peppers Heating and Air. Today we're going to talk about preventive maintenance on your air conditioning system and when you should have it done. We recommend people who live with pets or live in a high traffic area or have breathing problems should get their maintenance done seasonally. Having pets and living in high traffic areas increases the rate in which your system clogs up with debris. Having a clogged filter and coils puts a strain on your system by decreasing the airflow. This makes for higher utility bills and decreases the life of your system. People who do not fall in this category, we recommend a minimum of 2 times a year for maintenance. This ensures your system will not only be ready for hot and cold weather, but it will run extremely efficient. Thanks for joining us today on the Spicy Saturday show. We'll see you again next week.